Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to uninstall WordPress from your website on Bluehost. This is the before. As you see, I was using WordPress, and this is the result after uninstalling WordPress. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account, then go to websites, and next to the WordPress site that you want to uninstall WordPress from, click on manage. Before this, I will give my WordPress website a visit. This is the WordPress site right now. After that, if I click on manage, then go to advanced and scroll down to site management, I will see remove WordPress entirely. Next to it, if I click on this red remove WordPress button, this will stop using WordPress with this site. Click on remove WordPress. A new window pops up. Removing WordPress will result in the removal of all existing files in your directory. Ensure you have a backup of important data before proceeding. Check this box next to I acknowledge the removal of existing files and confirm that I have saved backups locally or externally for important data. Click on remove WordPress and wait a moment. They are now removing WordPress from my site. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And wait a moment. They are now removing WordPress from my site. As you see, it is still in the progress. Now that the WordPress was uninstalled successfully, let's give it a visit again. And this is the result after uninstalling WordPress from my site. This is the before and this is the after. And this is how to delete WordPress completely from my website on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.